Hello guys, welcome back to Inspire to DIY. I would like to invite you to a mini bedroom makeover series. The first project in that series will be upgrading an IKEA vanity desk using simply contact paper. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. The first thing I'll go ahead and do is clean the tabletop, and a list of the items used to create that vanity table will be found in the description box below. Next, using this marble contact paper, I'll go ahead and cover the tabletop. And to have the cleaner cut around the borders, I'll be using this box cutter. This step is really straightforward. You simply cut to size the marble contact paper to fit the tabletop, and you patiently go ahead and place it and remove any extra air bubbles. The number one reason why I love using contact paper is because they are really forgivable. If you were to place it wrong, you can simply lift it up and replace it the way you need to. With that said, it makes it a lot easier if you wanted to remove the contact paper down the line. I made sure to remove all the air bubble as much as I could using my fingers, and later on use the box cutter to remove the excess contact paper. I cut into size additional contact paper for the back of the tabletop and repeated that same step from before. I then remove all the excess contact paper using the box cutter. It makes it so nice and neat. By simply using that marble contact paper, we were able to change our tabletop. It turned out so high-end. Using more contact paper, I'll go ahead and use this gold one that I will cut to size to create a design for the Alex drawers. What I'm doing with this contact paper is cutting smaller strips, which is what I'll use to create the design for the Alex drawer. Using those contact paper stripes, I'll go ahead and position them on the drawers and create an interesting design. Basically, the step is as follows. I'll go ahead and add the stripes in a geometric form and cut any excess contact paper to make sure that the drawers can be open. This is the perfect time to be as creative as you would like. You can create any intriguing geometric form, or even just simply put the contact paper on one or two drawers to make it stand out. I have positioned its stripes individually and took my time to cut off any excess contact paper. Although I am doing them individually, this project did not take me any time at all to complete. One thing you need to remember as you are placing the contact paper over the drawers, you must cut off the middle so the drawers can open nicely without stripping off the contact paper. Can you tell how amazing this transformation is starting to be? I stopped at this design because I wanted something really simple yet intriguing. To complete the vanity desk, I went on and add my mirror. This mirror is a project that I have done a long time ago. A link to that video will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. I started by cleaning the mirror and later on add a few essentials to the vanity desk. Just like that, using some contact paper, I was able to turn this IKEA vanity desk into something more modern and elegant. I took that approach to upgrade my vanity desk because it is cost effective. I only spent $10 to get both of the contact paper. It is also stylish, meaning you can upgrade any furniture of your liking using simply contact paper. It's also customizable because there are so many different ways that you can go about creating different design using different colors of contact paper, and it is also reversible. So down the line, if I wanted to change the contact paper or simply remove it to go back to the plain vanity desk, I could definitely do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.